from miles away, even allowing them to gather perfect intel for stealth missions, using ultra-silent noise reduction motors, making them undetectable in the dark, which gives it its awesome intel-gathering capabilities, but also means the best drone made so far. Sadly, it used to be unavailable for civilians. That was until a few weeks ago, when the original creator redesigned the drone for civilian use, while retaining all its stealth features, high-end camera, and long battery life. He was super proud of the work he did for the military when designing drones, and wanted to make a version for the larger crowd. After long lawsuits, he was finally able to bring it to the market. He called it the Quad Air, his lifelong achievement. He even adapted it for better home use, switching out some of the bulky, outdated military trackers for a better camera, and some other options for a smoother flight experience. It quickly became the best drone on the market. It even beats other high-end drones with ease, in both speed, video quality, and battery life. Because it was originally designed to be used in military environments, it's basically indestructible, being able to fly through forest fires and blizzards with ease, all while creating picture-perfect shots with every frame. Best of all, it's even more affordable. He says the secret to the low price is making it local in the US and spending a minimum on advertising, stating that most of the expensive drones aren't really that good. Their marketing just quadruples the price. This drone is the perfect piece for anyone who has or would like to fly a drone. Using high-end UAV gyroscope stabilization, it stays smooth and level no matter the skill of the pilot. This technology is even based on the same they use in larger ones to combat enemies. Quad Air is featured with all of this and is completely legal to own. But remember, this drone is not a toy, since it's so advanced and based on drones they use in the military. The US Product Safety Commission is trying to classify it as military-grade surveillance equipment. While it will remain perfectly legal to own one, it probably won't be long before it's taken off the online market. That's also the reason why you can't buy it from web stores like Amazon or eBay. In fact, if you really want one of these advanced drones, you can only order it from the official website. And today only, you can get yours with a 50% discount. Click the link in this video for more information about Quad Air.
Do you know the US solar company's nasty little secret?